One of the most common types of windows that you'll come across, and also one of the most consistently drafty types of windows, is the double hung window, or as many people know them, sash windows. You know the kind with the latch in the middle and you lift up the bottom sash. Until recently, there's been no effective way to draft proof these windows. In fact, you'll come across plenty of instances where there's door stops jammed in the windows, or bits of bent over newspaper jammed in there to stop them rattling. Now, fortunately, we've got draft dodgers for double hung windows. How do these work? Well, it's the draft dodgers that we know and love, fitted with a brush. So a draft dodgers for double hung windows kit comes with two long lengths already cut with the green and the red ends, and a half length for going across the bottom. You can think of it as an upside down door, except we're using brushes rather than the regular seal. Brushes because these are better for rubbing applications. So that's how it fits. The first one is square cut and fits along the bottom, seals the bottom of the sash, and then the sides, of course, run from there up the sides and seal the sides of the sash. What we need to deal with then is the center seal between the lower sash and the upper sash, and that's done with a section of EMV, which is fitted in that groove between the sashes. So when the sashes close, they press up the EMV and that eliminates the draft there. So really that's the option with double hung windows, is draft dodgers for double hung windows kit, which comprises the draft dodgers fitted with brushes and a section of EMV to go across the center join between the two sashes. In the rare instances where the upper sash also moves, that is, it hasn't been painted in place, then there may be a need to also fit draft dodgers for double hung windows on the outside for the upper sash.